Everything seems normal. I did my usual routine. I woke up, took a shower, ate breakfast, and even said goodbye to my dad before I left. And then I went to school.
Bye, Pa!
Bye na.
Then there was the usual good morning, high fives, loud laugh, bright smiles. I wore a huge smile on my face today. It fit perfectly, and everyone believed me. I even fooled myself.
Anong sakit ni nanay?
Depression po.
Ay, bakit? Yung ba depression, nakukuha ba yan sa... Dahil depressed ka, ganun ba yun?
Yung sabi lang po ng doktor, depression, tapos nung patandaan niya, kasi makakalimutin ako.
Ano pangalan niya, Nay?
Agnes.
Oh, hindi naman. Agnes, kahapon, Christine. Hindi. Nay.
Yung depression, gawa-gawa ng mga tao yan. Gawa nila sa sarili nila.
Oo.
It's only the mind.
Ano?
It's only the mind.
Depression. Tama yan si Joey. Gawa-gawa lang nila yan. Kaya ikaw na, huwag mo silang gagayahin. Mag-pray ka lang lagi. Siya tutulong sa'yo.
Pero, Pa...
So? Okay, pupunta na ako dyan.
At ito na naman tayo ulit. It all went black. Again. Is it me? Or like what Joey De Leon said, gawa-gawa lang tong kaartehan? Is it my fault for feeling this way? I can't recall the last time I had a decent sleep. I know it's not the noisy neighbors or the sound of my barking dog. Neither is it the faint snores of my dad. I wish I could sleep like that. I don't know how long it's been since I've seen the sunrise or the ranging colors of the sky, because the only thing that's keeping me company is the moon. The moon speaks to me at night, though I'm not even sure if it's the moon. But the voice won't stop. It's like a song that's stuck in my head. It's 100 voices speaking all at once. So loud I can't even hear my own. I want them to stop. I really want them to stop. I don't want to hear another word. I want this pain to stop. Feeling of lost inside me. I woke up, took a shower, ate breakfast, and even said goodbye to my dad before I left. And then I went to school. I am not okay.
Bye, Pa!
Bye na.
I am not okay.
This unlikely union and why it still stands. Someday we will be set free. Pray and believe. Close your eyes, dry your tears. 'Cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here. From the sheer weight of your doubts and fear, weary heart, you'll be safe here.
The cold water is reaching out to me. The deeper I go, the more I feel unfamiliarity. I feel as if the unknown is wrapping around my head and slowly dragging me down more every passing second. As I sink, the louder they get. I want them to stop. I beg, but it didn't work. The darkness is over me. I am sinking. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. It will stop. We only just need to turn this pain and darkness into something creative. And we will find the beauty and healing in that pain. And sometimes we need the help of others. Let go of the past, accept it, and move forward.
Good morning, Ma!
once, everything is normal. It no longer just seems normal, but it actually is.
Pa?
Oh, na. Kamusta ka?
Hindi ako okay pa.
Bakit na?
Pa, niloko ko ng jowa ko. Tapos, sunod-sunod pa yung mga activities na binibigay dun sa school namin, lalo na yung research. Tapos, di pa ako makamove on sa pagkawalan, mama.
Pasensya ka na, anak.
Sometimes I ask myself, why am I so scared of talking about what I feel and experiencing right now? Is it a disgrace? A shameful act? But let me tell you this. Shame is not a word to describe your feeling. It is no longer embarrassing when the red lines on your wrists are too bright to conceal.
Bakit na yung grades nyo sa JC? Ang baba!
Okay lang. Nabawi ka naman sa kindness. Pwede na yun.
Huwag naman ka nangyari sila ba yan? Grabe naman!
Hala, ano yan?
When everything feels hopeless, you decide to give up. That we continue our lives trying to be normal, even if everything inside our heads is in chaos. Sometimes we think we are drowning too deep, until we realize that we are trapped in a bottle, just waiting for someone to open that lid.
You'll be safe here.
Masaya ka. 1, 2, 3, go!
Kala ko ba? Wait lang, sino muna ako nakatitignan?
Tama, doon ka. Ulit.
Bibigyan muna namin siya ng ano.
The Sid Loopers! Tamang punas lang siya.
Action. Alam ko maglalakad ka or iisip ka muna. Tatayo. Sino yan, D? Sino yan? Wala alam to. Action. Nanginit tayo. Nanginit. 1, 2, 3. Nice, camera. Action.
Hi!
Bye pa!
Ay na, ingat.
Action. Oh, na. Kamusta ka?
Hindi ako okay pa.
Bakit na?
Loko ko ng jowa ko. Wala na akong alam. Malakas sa mga.
Camera. Wait lang, hindi pa lang maganda. Halaman ka, Dra. Paano ba? Yan. Yan, go. Bay, okay lang na dyan ka, Bay? Oo, sige. Sige, go. Nice, camera, action. Ang galing iba ko lang. Okay. Nice, camera. Go.